Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rendel from Rendel English. What are the most common English expressions used today? In this video we are going to learn some of the most popular expressions to help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's take a look at some examples right after the video intro. Come with me. When you feel and want to express pleasure or satisfaction, we can say, I am happy to be here. Could you say it again like a native speaker? So, in this case, it sounds like this. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. Or to cause more intensity, we say, I'm very happy to be here. I'm really happy to be here. I'm so happy to be here. Or I'm glad to be here. It's good to be here. Let's see some examples in a sentence. I'm very happy to start working here. Or I'm really happy to be here with you, right? Now, let's take a look at how to express surprise. Surprise, it generates a strong emotion, isn't it? Like this. Wow. Oh. Oh no. Oh my God. No way. The last one is to show that can't be possible, right? So, to show surprise, this expression can be used when we want to emphasize that we are extremely surprised or shocked. We say, I can't believe it. For example, I can't believe it. How did you do that? Okay, guys. When we want to welcome to someone, we say, welcome to. Welcome to. For example, welcome to my home. You are most welcome to this house. We can also use this expression when you have lived or I live in the experience or situation that someone is telling you about. We can say, welcome to the club. For example, when someone tells you, I have to go on a diet, we can say, welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. Now, let's listen to a famous song called Welcome to My Life. Just a minute. I will call you my best friend to help me show you these examples. To be hurt, to feel lost, to be left out in the dark, to be kicked when you're down, to feel like you've been pushed around, to be on the edge of breaking down, and no one there to save you, no you don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life. Thanks, guys. That's all for now. I'll see you soon for another lesson next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe in my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you next video. Bye. No, we don't know what it's like. Welcome to my life.